welcome to my channel if you're new here. So as part of the series, this is another character makeover. And although she's not Disney, this is a unicorn princess. My company decided to create a unicorn princess because little girls aged 3 to 7 absolutely adore unicorns at the moment. It's one of the biggest trends. And so she actually gets booked a lot. Now there are two versions of this princess. There is the blue princess and there is the pink princess. Both with different wigs and different dresses, but the same makeup. This is the blue princess and this is the pink unicorn princess. My personal favourite is the blue. And throughout the video there will be a poll where you can go vote on your favourite princess, either the blue or the pink. I'd love to hear your opinion also in the comments down below. So in this video we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial showing you the two wigs and how to put them on, the two dresses, the poses, the accessories and what she says to the kids. My unicorn princess is called Princess Sparkle, but the other girl in the company that also has a unicorn princess is called Princess Rainbow to the kids. So without talking any much more, let's just get into the video. I'm first going to be taking my Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer, putting it all over my eyelid and blending it out. I'm going to be going into the colour Strange from the Urban Decay Naked 3 palettes just to set that all down. Next I'm going to be taking the James Charles palette and I'm going to be going into the colour Skip and taking that really prominently in the crease and the outer corner. Go over the actual lid with Pinkety Drinkety, and this is going to lighten up the ombre. I really build this up by going over it a few times because it's a very light colour. Once we've done that, we're going to be going into highlights. I've got the Anastasia Dream palette and I'm going to be going into the unicorn colour. It's so ironic that it's called unicorn, but it's perfect for this. I'm going to put it all on the brow bone. It's so iridescent, it's literally so perfect. And then in the inner corner. Now for the eyeliner, and I want really big dramatic eyeliner, so I'm going to go do that now. That's done, we're going to go do mascara, so I'm using number 7 Dramatic Lift Mascara. Adding quite a bit of this because we're going to tie it in with our lashes later on. Go clean up any fallout of eyeshadow I have, and I'm going to go do my base face makeup because you've seen me do that enough in other videos now, you don't need to go watch it. Okay, so I did my base makeup, I put on my wig cap and I did my eyebrows, so now we're going to do blush. I'm using a Benefit Dandelion blush and I'm using so much of this. I am also mixing a bit of Rockateur because it just darkens it up a bit because I find sometimes that dandelion is a little too light. Once that is done, I am doing a bit of bronzer just to sculpt my face, but not too much. And I won't be doing my forehead because I have a fringe on my wigs, and so that is covered. I'm going to go back into the unicorn highlighter and put it onto my cheekbone. Go into I Like Your Face Colourpop highlighting palette, and we're going to go into Upgrade, which is a light pink highlighter. It's not iridescent like the Dream palette, but this is for my nose highlight and my Cupid's bow. Still have that pink highlight but not iridescent. Next is the lipstick, and I'm using L'Oreal 633. All done, we're going to go in with glitter. So first I have from Claire's this packet of pink glitter and some bits are iridescent. So I'm going to be using the glue, which is Glitter Fixer Gel from Barry M. Be putting it all over the highlight. So we're going to be going into this loose glitter, which is iridescent white from Primark. And that is going to go in our inner corner. Not too close though because this glitter is very sharp, and when it gets in my eye it literally like pokes at my eye. It's so sharp. All done. It is time to put on my wigs, and I just thought I'd show you them both because they're really pretty. My personal favourite is the blue one, and this one's primarily blue but mostly purple at the back, and then it has pink tips on the end, and it's really thick and curly and the waves very luscious. This is the new one, and I've only worn it to one party so far. I'm not sure how I feel about it. It's a baby pink. I love, love, love the colour. And then white on the end, so I literally think the colours on this one is so much nicer. But it is much thinner than this one. And this is the unicorn horn that I wear for both of the wigs. Just this pink, blue and purple one, so it could go with either. And then the horn. And so I'm going to be putting on, for now, this wig. And then I'll be putting on the dress that I've also worn with this wig before. And then later on, I'll switch to this wig and show you my new dress that I wear with this wig. So I get on the back first and then I bring the front forward. Also, I put on my accessory, which is this pink necklace. It's a pink chain and then a silver and white unicorn. I don't know how well you can see that, but it's really, really cute. So I put on a few pins. It doesn't actually need that much. There we go. That was so easy. So now I'm going to go put on the dress for this, and then we'll come back and we'll switch it up. So here is the full look and here is the dress. If you've been on my channel long enough, you will recognise this dress because this is my prom dress, and I find it so flattering, it's so pretty, and I'm so glad that I get to wear it. Here is the wig in all its glory. Very cute, very nice waves. Here is the bottom of the dress, very flowy, very glitzy and girly, so beautiful and elegant. So it has loads of layers of tulle. It has this first layer, then the second layer, then this very thin but baby pink fabric. This is my favourite colour, like this is the epitome of it. And then underneath we have this thinner one to make it nice body fitting. So here is the pink wig and you can see a bit of the dress. As you can see, it's a lot thinner, but it is matching the dress better colour wise. Here is the other dress to the other unicorn princess. It actually goes, I don't know how well you can see, but really out because it has a hoop underneath. So the top is all full of gems and sequins and stuff. And here it is. So as you can see, it goes right out. Jewels all over. The amount of tools, it's more of a babyer pink than the other one. The other one is a baby pink, but this is like lighter. So it has one layer of tulle with all the gems on, satin layer that is like double thickened, and then this is the hoop underneath which has tulle all over also. Reminds me a lot like those big fat gypsy wedding kind of style dresses. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing all her sayings. So her name is Princess Sparkle, and how she introduces herself is this. Well, hello there, it's wonderful to meet you. My name is Princess Sparkle, what's your name? You have such a magical name. Now, I came very far today to come visit you. I live all the way up in the clouds. I also like to play on my specific rainbow. Have you ever seen a rainbow? Well, you have? Have you seen me playing on it? Well, next time watch out and you might spot me. So the song I sing is I Can Sing a Rainbow. It goes red and yellow and pink and green. But when I watched up, the order of the rainbow goes red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. For some reason the song orange goes at the end. I found that in a few versions. I don't know, it's the version I'm listening to with the karaoke. So I make that up for the kids and I say how I identify which rainbow I live on is that orange comes after purple. So I always say before I sing, now I'm going to be singing a song, is that okay? Now my song I'm going to be singing is Can You Sing a Rainbow? Do you know that song? You do? That's wonderful. Now I'm going to be changing up the song a little bit and I'm going to be singing about our rainbow, the one we live on. Now how to identify our rainbow? Orange comes after purple. So you know the order of the rainbow? All the colours? Well, it goes red, yellow, pink and green, purple, orange, and blue. So orange comes the sixth colour and that's how you can find our rainbow. So always look out for it, okay? We always sit down and have question time and the kids can ask us questions. And sometimes my boss will ask a few questions to like egg the children on. So some of the questions are, what do you eat? And this is always my answer. Well, my favourite food ever is anything pink. It's my favourite colour, can you tell? So I love pink chocolate, pink candy. I also love strawberries and raspberries. Do you like that too? I also have special pink cereal, which is magical every single morning, and it gives me my powers for the day. Now, do you know what my powers are? Other than flying, I can grant wishes. So I can grant you anything you want. You have to wait till the end of the party, is that okay? Can you wait? And then I might just grant you a wish. So usually we have our wings on. I'm waiting for new ones, but the kids pretty much always ask us, can you fly? Like right now, like go fly. And this is always my response to why I'm not about to just take off, you know. Well, we're in the hall and I wouldn't want to start flying because I'll bump my head on the ceiling. And once I start flying, you know, I don't really want to come down. I've travelled all the way here today to come visit you, so I'm going to stay put on the ground for a while. And when it's time to go, I'm going to fly back up and go home. And then when we're saying goodbye to the children, this is what we always say. Well, thank you so much for having me. I've had the most sparkly time. I hope we made it magical enough for you. And we can't wait to meet you again. Maybe you can come find a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow, and I will be there. So every time you find a rainbow, and if orange comes after purple, go find the pot of gold at the end and I'll be waiting. I can't wait to see you there. I hope you had a lovely birthday. Goodbye. And there we go. So now all the poses for photos, and this is what she does. This is one of them. The second pose she can do is this one with her arm in the air like she's doing magic. One. She can lift her skirt. And one with just one hand. She can do this one. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please smash a huge thumbs up to show your appreciation, and don't forget to vote in the poll. Do you like the blue or pink princess better? The top link in the description box below is a playlist of all my other Disney character transformations. I've done Anna from Frozen, Belle from Beauty and the Beast, and Rapunzel from Tangled. And I also have a link to my Disney medley where I did a cover of all Disney songs mashed up as Disney princesses dressed up. Also an update for you guys, Belle has had an update. She's got a different wig and a different dress entirely to the video of the transformation. So if you'd like a little update at some point, I can show you her new dress and hair. Or you can head over to my princess Instagram, which link is also in the description box below, and you can go get a sneak peek before everybody else on YouTube. She looks so much better, like 10 times better. I'm not even joking. Like, now I watched that video and I think she looks awful. So all my social media links are in the description box below. Sorry for a lot of lighting changes. The sun keeps going in and out. It's really annoying. Subscribe to become part of our family. We'd love to have you here. And turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. I love you guys so very much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Bye! Bye!